Yes, sir. Welcome back to another one. 1707 masiphelele. 7. Episode 17 King. Kude lesitawukwenda King. Saboshelwa King la. Lijoko King uthi Jesu King nisejokweni linye. Asho umshumayeli Paula King athi Paula King ngambona vela.
Namuhla King ungena uchurchical namuhla King kwende njani uphendvukile kwendekani mfowethu?
Kude King ngiyasho nje King ma reflexes lawa King dilo ngibonako nami King kuma social media. Ngibona letinto leto King.
Thank God. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu nabo Zuckerberg King ema social media because kunengi lebesineke sesikwati lesikwatile nge-social media angathi ngidawucala phi King kunengi for example I saw a story King ngamihlali. I don't want to gossip but usubonile the story mas this is not gossip because sikhuluma info like public record
ngathi ngisibonile istory samihlali King kancane though like anga deep dive in but ngibonile ukuthi ngathi kunelinqusa King likhiphe tinzumbu letside
which I respect King. I can respect that you can.
But ngathi lethi zumbulu King ngathi ayitfolanga lento beliyifuna lelinqusa mos.
Wait kana ubhadala after or before uthenge into kwendekani King?
Anguvumele King ngikhuluma isitori samihlalo losibonile King ngathi sasibosa sathi into ehlukene mina nawo.
No ngibonile King like ngibone kunelunga ngasi lakho ka 300k. Ngikhulumela lelunga lelo mina King. La nika mihlali linelithemba ukuthi litawina somehow. But ngathi allegedly alikawini lelunga King. Boy yatinga njani lento leyo in life.
Kanjani so?
Ebekude social media like how would you I guess the point I'm trying to drive is
the story is King if bekude social media King nale transaction leyo bengeyendeke because the output ambona up mihlali and mihlali bekatabe career because the career King came from the social media uyabona lokuvloga lokuhamba lamave nelokuthi muhle I social media lemtshele lokho uyabona so the social media King ivehicle konke lokho
there was King bafana ngathi mic yakhe ayisebenze Ken
mic yami expand
ngibuka lama wave akho King indlela amancane ngakhona
King mic yami King grand yathi mina ngitiva ngisounda grand angathi
sound grand ngibona maybe leyami loud kakhulu I guess sound grand
abangisounda grand King kuthi nginga nganake ma waves
before mihlali mlingane there was Khanya Mbawu remember sisikhanyisile Mbawu
yeah King ngimkhumbula sisikhanyisile King kana usaba ngumlungu
soba ngumlungu wawela uShayina like
so agcina King ayi Bayesian
mina I'm happy King bathi uthi ngiyajabula indlela bosisi bethu labadla ngayo imali there has to be lemnotho ngendlela lo better ngawo King kufuna kube nendlela yekususa imali ebantwini labanemali itekithi and that's one way.
It's beautiful King to watch about but the thing is they really have to use it King before 30 because after 30 dog it's done like good elinikelela King leselifunayo yabona because lifuna manikela King ayehla bo 20 something 22 20 yabona masekane imali for them King it's better if education yabona education nale beauty yakho bese suyabahwaya yabona but really dog for a long term ngeke ulunge unless ukule level ukuthi yabo nje bo the Kardashians at least bona they were making back and they are still making back understand kuba ingoti la khona King ukhaza ukuthi udla ngaloko kuphela yabona like uyasithengisa kuphela kune cap lokho uyabona, there's a cap in it khona tagcina khona uphelelwa khona
No,
ukuthi imajita king sekadziniwe nguwe uyabona, like hey dog, we need the younger ones uyabona, so you really have to use it
no,
while you still can.
but if u-smart king uba ne-retirement plan ukuthi nasengithi 29 30 ngiyawuthola lijala elidzala yabo bese liyangicoca
Yeah, king.
because akhona
Not even. Yeah,
akhona
ikhona Limbombo King. Limbombo King is saving the days. Always, Limbombo King is there to save
it's
the
a
day.
good retirement plan. Yes, it's a very
Yeah.
good retirement plan, King Limbombo province.
Limbombo King will come and save the
But,
day. So we are really proud of our brothers in Limbombo. We are one. But King, even then,
yes.
in that day and age, let's go, your King. That saving mentality, to save you. It's dangerous, King. You really need to have something. Ukuthi maybe unema business akho la ranago, maybe unema what akho la ranago, because if King only when uthembe King lesithelo senkosi kuthi ngiso sitakuphilisa for forever uhlala umuhle, nah, it's a lie. It's a lie. But I'm really proud of the hustle, bro. I'm really proud of the hustle.
No, I'm really proud, King. It takes me to Lenzaba Africa casting. Uyibonile Lenzaba Africa casting.
Yeah, King. Hey, sike ngestory ngisechekile King. Yakena silendo lena King dangerous group, especially lento kujolela ukuthi out inemali. It's beautiful, it's bad. And ngayibeka kanjani? Kungcono yabona makuyi transactional. Yabo ukuthi King, yabo njenge African casting King kusibe transactional yabona. Because it was just you come, I give you 10K, we do what we have to do, you leave. You understand? There's no relationship in it. Kwazi kwaba i-relationship ukuthi najola nanani any fresh and nice, but lo Cherry King nguye lo imali ngile out King le provider le lifestyle kuyingoti blind ngisengicheckele siya story sase Nigeria ikse lo Cherry King wajola elibuda King iguzumela lelibuda ngathi belibhizi ngalobo cryptocurrency type nigga yabona manje the crypto
ngiyabona King ma crypto bros
fire lo Cherry King kunalenye Instagram page yako King ngakushare ya Instagram tokubona King the fire King lo mfana vele uyabona philo le lifestyle the top 1% life King philo lempilo leyo vele lo mfana yani lendlela kubukeka ngakhona already le athi join lo mjitalo yakho introducewana and uyabona the background ngathi ayisiyinhle yabona la kubuya khona again, so depende kulo mjita ngawo konke manje Buddha ngathi u-controlling la majita la controlling kakhulu King la majita lawo ukuthi yabona hey upostelani wagcoka so nagcoka so ya hle kwata nje because kahle ultime lakho lo mjita yabona lo mjolo lo kahle ngibaba wakho lo mjita lo mjita King kwaqatshwana one day King ngisho sengathi noma bekaluza imali kulento yakhe bo crypto mjita whatever bacabana Cherry King wanyamalala Cherry King kwasi kuphela bo 3 days nyaka 4 days mjita wabonakala postile King ukuthi I killed her. And ubhala kanje King akasekhe Nigeria King. Yeah, so shiftile Nigeria King. Mjita King ngasobo Sierra Leone. Yeah, ngasobo Sierra Leone or kuphi North Africa type thing. Hayibo ngathi gelwa kufona wamfonela makwakhe the day atonqunywa. Kuthi mjita ungifone ngihlaka hey ngathi ukwatile inini but hayi ungasabi make nginamcontroller. King kwaphela emalanga King kwabonakala state.
So wait mngani wait King ngicela kuyilandzelela ndzaba so lo mjita wase Nigeria bekane imali ajola ne fro
Crypto bros King unemali King phila that lifestyle top 1% kanjiwa ngema Ferrari kanjiwa ngani kudliwa ama wet kuhlala ama first class hotels flyer first class indiza rich and stuff King kwambulala
and ugcina ibulele le fro because wathi wena mlingane info abantu abangayi understanding ukuthi bugwatsi tigwatsi tingoti emangweni in life sigwatsi King umuntu longagano sishimane is very dangerous emangweni sishimane noma ngabe singathola imali sishimane King sibe nemali still mentally lo muntu King usigwati yabona
yeah I
so,
think ingoti
akakwati King isikwati King asikwati kuphatha kahle umuntu wesifazane siva ngathi kufuna simcontrol because nakangekho utokana lo munye umuntu because yena akabelieve ukuthi fro yakhe kahle hle mentally so lokwendekile nje King bugwatsi of the highest order and ikwendeka a lot la mimangweni yethu lento le
yeah and nalabo already King by encourage I think because abana mali yabona like the relationship lo mfana King uletha kudla la ndlini yabona siyadla and lomntwana king uyasho ngazuthi lapha ukuthi ngathi bekadla ngayo le Instagram yakhe ngathi iyabhadala Instagram, right?
Yeah, you can make money on Instagram, King.
Yeah, ngathi bekakha imali
You
somehow.
can monetize Instagram.
Ngathi bese ngumucila ifoni lokomjita king sekublockele Instagram yakhe because Instagram yakhe ngathi ngiyele emhlayinisako type thing nomntwana.
Yabona man lento into endlala King. Indaba sisibethu bagane tigwadze man. Yathi mlingani mina I think umuntu lomjuna losidlova lofuna controller umuntu lomsikati. Akameli lo muntu loyo aganwe.
Manje king watingana lo Cherry King ukuthi lo mvuzi dlova. Because bo Cherry King babuka nje babuka king le auto ihamba ngeFerrari inang i-top king idliwa kahle lana lo mjito unawo konke lokufunako dog, like kunendlala yabona lokuganela indlala and singayengani king eAfrica imijolo 99% yawo king kuganelelwa indlala.
Imijolo leminingi yase-Africa King endlala nakungeke kwenteke King, in fact kwentekile in the developed world eMelika nakuphi emadoda akhala ngayo lento le ukuthi banela bafati kusebenta King babe netimali tabo basishiya uyabona, because lebe kubamba lemijolo yakadzeni uve abantu babreak bathi hey yabona mina gogo wami namkhulu bajula 8 years bashadile angahambi gogo. Lebe kubamba lo mjolo lokho King ngilokuthi gogo bekede indlela yakutiphilisa lenye. If gogo angaba neplan King acashwe aphile kahle aneke gogo akuhlalele lokuhema kwamkhulu wakho lo cha ukuthi wena hey beka strong gogo. No, there was abuse King eqinisweni elinenge uyabona, but gogo bekede indlela yokuhamba. Ayakhala eMarika lamanengi King lamaduna lamanye ama-passport bros ayakhala ukuthi umfana waseMelika na ukhuluma nayo yakuphendvula. Why? Because nayo nemali yakhe uyabona.
Yeah,
aneke umcontrol. So ama-passport bros lamanengi King agcina eAfrica ufuna umuntu lathi amcontroller uyabona,
amgcilada amende konke
lode imali amgcilade. Yes, igcine konke kanjena. Ngiyakutshela King ngabe eAfrica ingathuthuka. That's why lamadvodza lapha eAfrica King angafuni ukuyithuthuka eAfrica, because ayathi usina ingathuthuka eAfrica King manenge amadvodza lathi ababede bafati, and that's
Yeah.
facts.
Yeah, it's facts.
And I can put that on my mama King again.
Yeah, it's facts King. So ngangithi hey shekuseya kukuhle kunjalo King kunjeya labantu ukuthi awuthi njani, but hey kuyingodi nako lokudependa kakhulu King emachiteni, because naleti ngoti leti kudala. So bo sister bethu King bangasiva thina masithi hey hasi say respect ukuthi sisho ukuthi bangatinaki ukuthi netigcele mabanalo ithuba lokuthi afunza or wende leyo hustle leyo King, but make work ema bed sitter yabona, because mawucabanga King malini work bed sitter.
But sitha King ngisho ukuthi nga 100 ungabuya khile le enhle kamnanzi.
Shows mabhodlela mama wet lawo King lamangaki bo 10 15.
Yes, about 10 mama wet King, maybe my weave like 3 or 4 lama Brazilian.
Sacrifice that yabona.
Yes.
You build a bed sitter while you're doing that hustle le SNT wherever you are. Yabona uthi position ekhona King, but you make sure ukuthi back home you are building that retirement plan yabona, because hey machita King ashinje iyakuncisha umphefumulo out King mase maybe sekondlile sekuthengele ama-iPhone nanani ngiyaslida ngisling mina ku-DM, because we need to remember King ukuthi the moment lo mjita upgrade nami King I was in the shadows yabona doing my house ngislingana next, but ukanze ukuthi King nesenemali eningi nalo mjita wakhe, and it's a fact King, they always go for the bigger man, and I come as a bigger man King ngiyamtshela ukuthi uyabona lo muntu othi le pace lena kusile pace ngale, okay ngiyadla ngale, but Sling is coming with a better plan. You understand? Uyakushiya and uyawuthatha umphefumulo.
Sling is coming with a trip to Dubai, yabona, after a trip to Cape Town, before a trip to Mozambique, yabona. Kunengi mina King, I don't want to lie, and respect le hustle.
Complain Sling akendi lutho Sling dog is doing the job.
Sling is Mr. In Contact, yabona. Mina King, I want to clarify King, kuthi nangithi ngiyirespect hustle ngisho yi angirespect mina King le hustle yekugana umuntu umganele ukuthi akunika imali abokupha imali. I don't respect that hustle leyo. I think it dumb le hustle leyo mentally.
Yeah.
Here's a hustle I respect King. Yabo le hustle kuma SNT lapha swimming pool noma lapha enang nguphi lapha ebar. Ugcoke kahle unoke kahle uyabona. Mandela Square ume kahle ugcoke kahle approach lo mjita King. umtshelele fee ukuthi okay for 2000 maybe or 5000 namuhle ebusuku ngendeka noma ngayini uyabona.
Yeah, I think that's one is legendary.
Kwendeke lokho King akunika 5000 wakho uhambe uyophila impilo yakho. They don't respect yabo King le because leyo ide ukuthi lo mjida sotofuna ukucontrola sotofuna ukubulala uyabona.
It's just transactional.
It's just transactional. Kan leye kwenta ngathi siyajola sinikana imali. Ngiyo le levama kuphetha kabuhlungu le hustle. So mine the sisters I respect King sike sababona nawe sentini. Uyabona?
Yeah.
Sike sababona King kule shuttle suka nabo kangwane sesentini. We saw that that's the hustle I respect when King. That's the hustle I think ile kufuna si emphasize. Which is why King I'm lo mjida African casting lawyer. Ngiyaba respect labo sisi labaye kuye angimrespect yena per se but I respect labo sisi labaye kuye because babiya nemali benda something but solve real problems in their lives King.
Yeah, so hey King ngiyakuva mfowethu ngamihlali uthini ngamihlali.
Mihlali can get it King angayithola noma nini mihlali.
Ngile cream but I no King sengumnika about 2 years nyalo King should be out of the game very soon. They call it ngenako King. There's always newer ones.
King.
There's always new plans.
Yathi mlingane ngifuna ukutshela I secret King le deep machita la I understand.
Yeah.
Wathi King ukuthi ngangubekisele ngani nge Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
I Rolls Royce King noma ungayithola seyihleti etitinini seyidalela tinkhukhu. Uyakena kusisolo I Rolls Royce leyo King.
But King kune Rolls Royce lesha King lephumile nyalo King, you understand? On the market King, we all go for the new one and we have the money too, why not?
But still kune Rolls Royce King idalela tinkhukhu I Rolls Royce still leyo ayisahambi King ihleti kwetitini.
Ayihambi King.
But ngiyafika ngithi kuwe utafike wehle kuleli khaya la kune Rolls Royce khona. Uyabona? So I think bomihlali
akude King lokukhulumako kude proof yona lokukhulumako King. There's no proof.
Wait, kuyashintsha King ukuthi IBM nase seyihleti kwetitini.
Yeah, kuyashintsha King because seyidalela tinkhukhu King, it's useless.
But still IBM King.
Yeah, but useless King. I sitting alone to BM, but who can drive it? No one. I see King. There's nothing King. That's why at least when King Ushan P in a business, and she's got a channel, YouTube channel, she's okay with it, but so why isn't King would take say why in the land you loosely because we are playing gaming King's culture now again. Uvumsakuvusela lapha nguwe mani ngafunza nawe ungibani wena hayi mani angiboni ngibani hayi wena nguwe yini ngiboni.
Hayi King yabona bomihlali I mean I think in my world King mihlali iconic uyohlala iconic ngakubekisa there are very few King banifana laba iconic in life yabo bomihlali bo Peltusi bo khona bathi bombombo khona abantu
bothula King so uqalile phela King ukhombisa ama signs King ukuthi hayi she's in her 40s now and very soon she'll be touching that feet and shit.
Mina ngikhona ngimbona muhle kenyalo phela yakena King. This is now la ngibona ukuthi muhle khona.
Yeah King, it's good yabona moyibuka kanjalo but King I'm telling you King mina ngibonile King I'm ngikhona King la there's new stuff coming in the game King. It's gonna change the game. Watch.
Daily King no but inginga yala ma 2000 langenako King in gaming they don't play by the rules and regulations. That's why noma ngabe King lo mdlali uyakwati ukudrebula aneke afike kule level ya Messi uyabona.
Yeah,
he can't play that game kule level ya Messi King noma angaba abete lama rules and regulations King ngifuna ukubekisela King ema 2000 these are well known facts King ema 2000 alida ngelicansi uyabona
King
relationship
fast King phela kwento lenga hayi nine manangzane ma 1K 1K king ifuna kuphela ko 3 months fast king today it happens now.
But-ke lokhu kuphela 3 months king, those were the rules and regulations king. Bekunesizathu ukuthi bawubekelana lo mthetho wa 3 months, uyabona?
King
Abawubekanga lightly.
King ama 1K king now sekayishintshile le game king now sekagive up fast because abone sekusheshile le game.
Give up fast.
King it king dog say like come on king, come on all these niggas
say feel the game king, say feel the game.
King the game irigiwe lega the game irigiwe on king nabo sebashoot ama 2K bona sikhuluma ngabo king Open tools king sebashoot nabo seba bebangakwendi dog beba act, we know them as professional actors. Wena phela umatela go king.
Pat is a beautiful actor king from Mzansi.
Yeah, she changed king to be an influencer. Why? Because the 2Ks came with the influencing culture. The influencing culture king is new. Ima 2K vede. But so influencer ba DJ, who DJ ma cherry king came with the 2Ks. The 2Ks king are the ringleaders king. Ebona yonke level eboneka king idlala nyalo. Usain Buch. Lento ledlala ko nyalo game ledlalwa ko nyalo king. Lama rules marshal aba king. Style foods yabo on top of the dome. Notema 2K king ifike nayo. And it violated. Deviolated. I can see.
He destroyed the game.
What's his name? King, but king. Let me give you an example here. Guna lirinye para king le lapha kamhlushwa king. Le para le yakhe burukhanzela nema 2K. Ngathi ngiyakhuluma king nale group ima 1K bangani bami king evamne asila phathi. Ngithi mina why? Thola abantwana lapha. King. If king then own lenzawo king. You keep blind. Blind king
the fresh
wathatha onke lamajita ngayibona so mona letha deal lapha ngalokuthi kunala abantwana and abantwana atithole beer yamahala le beer king yakhe lama 2K and lama 2K ngiyona la sweep wabo, you understand ngasho le game
nega king ilashi lelitsala licompete ilashi lelincane because ilashi lelincane lisafuna kutshekula king again.
And leti king leti king 2K yonke le nto wena locabanga ukuthi iyancengwa ku relationship yabona tona
technique for free
no technique ungakhuluma nokukhuluma king ungayicela ukucela king so nikiwe lenye into king ongazange loyibona emafilimini king yebo
ngiyo le nto lengisho king ukuthi uyabona lihashi king leseselikhulile lifuna kwenda le tinto leti necessary king ukuthi gibela yabona ngumikise esitolo uyakena king le mahashi lamancane asafuna kujekula king just to prove a point igijima libhakele yabona
le game
legijima king liyabhakela liyabukisa ngifuna ukutshela king yakela ukuthi ema-90s neke king competing ama 2K because it's very different the mindset. Ngeva lenye out king ikhuluma in fact ikhuluma ukuthi iyatshelwa ngelenye lijalo elitsala ukuthi lijalo elitsala ngathi beliganwe 2K yini linemfata ekhaya lijalo elitsala again alithatha itinto etinenge because that's the other thing lama 2K king atawubulala abantu labadzala lawo ngathi into latendako lijalo elitsala king liganwe atasibulala ama 2K likanwe 2K lijalo elitsala king sebasendlini sebenta lemsimetho yakhona uyabona lijalo elitsala king lati ukuthi ema 90 ngathi athatha lenangi lo moba awufake la mlonyeni uyabona dlale ngawo. I think that's kind of standard for ema 90 king.
Yes,
lithi lijalo elitsala sesilibeka lenzaba litshela umuntu lithi lo mfana king wathatha wagwinya kuthiwa yini lamabhola wagwinya king wagwinya konke in fact wagwinya lo moba wagwinya naleli bhola king leta lahlala la nthanyeni la leli bhola king uthi lithi lijalo kusenjalo king libona lo mfana
yeah so ngeke king
bathi waliphinya king ilibhola lento la walisha kanje bathi kumnanza ngathi king sengisho ukuthi le tinfo king ama 2K latendako
King
Ngiletintfo temlandvo waseBabylon king again.
good ma rules king that king adlali ngema rules leti yabona so baya avoid
Atika kufuna ba-avoid ukhanza king loko lithuke kuvalele umlo omdzala lonemkhaba indvodza lenesithundi king kuyivalele endlini kuyenta tintfo lengisaba nekudisho king ukhanza indvodza yente tinyawo kanje ngathi emapiyano la moyeni king tifinyele tinyawo kanjena bayifucele koneni king ifuna kunyuka ibaleke ema-toilet lento labayenta yona abantwana laba so neke ama-90 king akhombithe ngema kukwenta liswane king
kwenta liswane king time king igubeze endlini king soft king to 2000 so lama rules king tawashintsha at all king and ticama tinani king tinelo buhle king tishintshe lama rules tiyakwati kwenta content takhimali yato ti very yabona so hey fast le game yalo king and lama OGs ethu king that's why king I move fast so now about to say ekuna fast slow chore suke game because the game king rigged kunemngane ethu king longibusisa wayibona le game ukuthi kuse le game lesenzala kunama vele washata fast that was dope for me I was like yes that's the move because kuse angeke king iba-compete
you cannot compete king njengoba ngisho king ukuthi lahle lidzala selilona selendela ukuthi likuthwale liye la ufuna khona again lead ukwabona king emahashi nakatshekula nje jayiva like akhombi energy king it can go uyabona so when usatokhala ngamadvolo king ema-90 sasikhala ngamadvolo king uthi hey yabona kuse nguce njani king leti tingaguca tingalala ngathi but ke mina ngikukhanza somehow king uweek na ungumjida lo tawufuna kujona l2K uyi-OG ngikukhanza uweek man kuse
ngani ke king ichaze lento
ngifuna kubekisa king once wathi botetwe minyaka 31 32 sekunebuhlungu king lokuba khona emtimbeni wakho ungenda ilutho again
kanjani king ayichaze
nasomdzala king kunelithambo lelibuhlungu maybe sekunelijoyina lelingasahlangani nalelinye nawuhlala phansi sobanga umsindo uyabona sofuna kulala ngabo 9 wena sikhathi
yes
ufuna red wena kukhale Bujumuju kukhale David Masondo uyabona
ay nani king
yakhumbula mama wami
ay nani king uyabona ay lama 30s lama 30s lawo la behave njalo king
ajalo king namajida ngiyakutshela
ngima 30s and singawacethe ma 30s king mara ngiva ngase ngiseseleli hashi lelincane king ngiva ngase ngiyajekula ngiva ngase nyalo king prime
ngifuna ukutshela king awukho prime
ngiyajekula
because king lo mfana king 2000 safuna kuva ipiano safuna kokota ipiano kuse uyabona etavern wena sodwa umtshela ukuthi sihlala nendlini lingayo etavern namuhla kunjani uyabona iweekend
lama OG yabo 60 lama OG yabo 55 60 lawo king lama OG lamaguzumela king lahamba ngalama BM nalama bus uyabona ama bus lawa nethini ama bus lawa king Mercedes lawo
amaviano ngiyabona ngiyabona
ama skinny jean king lamjita ushaka emkhaba la ngeturu king ajitile sisu king watpuntshela feel imali king wabo emayini yakhipheka kakhulu king aseyintwana bangani bakhe bamhleka angabambi ngisho yenye icherry lengangaye sebogogo bonzanga yakhe king badla boma 56 ufika lo mjida king abambe donate ama 2K king etembo 26 years 25 years king atinikele imali kudlwela ama weight lapha yabo bakhuluma lo mjida 30 years king yakena kuzi la Africa king mona 30 years usuku set next usuku saphanda again 11 ku 30 king la Africa king usuku usaphanda set ngisho indlu sadly
usuke king eAfrica noma ungaba 60 udoba bete lutho in fact ever we shouldn't base on ukuthi unani because Africa abantu bete lutho and it's not offensive in king
but king
eAfrica la nabo
bakhona bayi few king la labanako nyana yabona bakhona ukuthi mabafika la clubini king lama ngala Mercedes bathenga lama Moeta ngibo king laba attracted ama 2000 because king leta king isebenza nga dinero mawungana dinero king yonke lebo zikhuluma ngayo king ikupatshata tini utingene etiswini try so angeke ukuthi experience is not inhlanhla ukuthi unenhlanhla hey dinero king lokwenda singeniswe tonke letini lamlonyeni bese kuthiwa akwendeki nje ngemagic
king
sikufuna dinero
imali dinero king ikwenda ube ngumfana omncane ona 65 years again like indwa boyfriend wawo na 65 ngemfaneni type yabona. But ngiko la ngisho king ukuthi you might be le mali ngakwenda ube young in spirit king, but ne ukhona ku keep up na lel 2000 of which king is a beautiful thing because kule economy leyo king sekta image speakiri.
Yeah, speaking is always there to save the day.
Speaking king kufuna eta tobamba lelo khaya laleli jala elitsana 2000 because lijala elitsala king sekunethi inzawo la lingafiki khona again.
Speaking king is always there to save the day. So yeah, king into letikhona leto lesiphila kuto king and lesinye sti avoid uyabona ilife nyalo seyinjalo nje kuse ukuthi unani kwendekani it's isuke lenza bakhanya imbawu selishayina king ene kashinja king wafuna ube lishayina uyabona mashayina bakhanya imbawu nyalo.
No but bokhanya king they banale mali lenze ukuthi bangakwenda lokho kungathusa mina nase ngingaba lishayini again.
Ngamangalisa king esekhanya imbawu king wacala mnyama la king asemnyama
wacala beku African queen king in history wacala mnyama kune tinto king funa ukubekisela ukuthi yabona ungumjida unemali nangikhuluma ngemali king ngikhuluma ngekuthi maybe unabo 100 meter total net worth you again.
Yeah, imali leyo king.
Uyathi king ukuthi now uyathi king ukuthi abantu abanaleti imali leto sek out kungabi sitabani.
Angisayiva lento.
Sengisho ukuthi king uyakubona lo lelicansi lendiwa ngimi nawe ezemajida nasine bantu labasikade. Licansi lelo le moya wekushayeka wekuba broke. Yabona.
Asokhulume qhubeka king
ngivumele king ngivumele ngipheke king angikojotisa ngipheke bafana. Uyabona king lelicansi lekuthi i-out ine intombi yinye banembana.
Yes.
Licansi lelo king le kushayeka licansi lendlala. Lelo yabona.
Lele mali ngiphi king?
Lele mali king lele ukuthi socabanga ukuthi ungamenda 3 or 4 wemtinfombe empethen munye same time.
Yeah, that's the DD type.
Yeah, sengile mali lenze leyo king le mali king selithi songamngeta nemjida kule situation leyo or songaba one on one nemjida. Ngiphikisa king ngikuchazela uyabona ngiphikisa king ngikuchazela.
King sho lapho uvela nawo lama tendencies. Uvela nawo lama tendencies king ukuthi out king uvela usho ukuthi wena ungayihlephula king because shows phela leseyipower.
Kungendeka king bebonawo ngendeka bebowude but le mali lesosonayo seyisho ukuthi songenda noma ngayini ofuna kuyenda lokufika enhloko yakho king sekungendeka.
Hey, exactly.
Because nawulandzela ne case ya Didi nawulandzela ne case ya Didi king nawulandzela ne case ya Didi lokhu na Didi lamambophele kona king dinfo let unnecessary lebesadenda ngekuthi unayo imali yekwenda nemandla ekwenda lokho.
Yeah, bese beka flex
king. Bese flex king bana banemali.
Une Buddha king bekayifonela king ito banemba na case.
Yes.
Ngithi hey ekuse.
Aneke wena king neke uzukwenda lokho neke uzukucabanga nekukwenda lento leyo wena.
Yeah, because usenele mali ya unesenambondo.
Usenembondo king usenemali yekulala nemthu munye uyabona isikhathi sinye. Kusena namajita king la ngala kubo Dubai la nekuthatha lama influencer ethu awafake kuma first class king ay Dubai bayowagagela.
Ekuse yabona into njengaleto ngicela ngathi believe king until I had first hand experience umuntu akhuluma ngasho ngathi ekuse ikhona into njengale which means there's the mali king vele shothi bantu abanye bahlanyisa ekuse imali
ayibahlanyisi king imali in its true form nayinengi imali ikwenda nkulunkulu emhlabeni. Yakhena kuthi king nanginemali nangina 100 million asengibekisa king ethi ngina 100 million emarandi Kude umthandazo king longawuthandaza kimi lengineke nguphendvule.
Hayi kude king. Good king. Because king when lento yenda nyalo so king yena akena imali leyo king because mona imali leyo king wena lamuhla mawufuna king ungalala la kangwane.
Ngalala kangwane namuhla king ngingadecide nyalo ukuthi ngiya kangwane. And nanginale mali leyo king nangifuna ngadecide ukuthi nangifika kangwane ngidabe ngina 7 wemachere na 3 wemajita ngidawa nemba.
Guaranteed.
Ngavinjwa yini king?
Yeah, imali king say hey that's the thing about money. As much as we want it king kufuna phinze ube nayo cap ukuthi dog it has to be money leto khona ungiphilisa ingangihlanyisi khona yabo because masuqala kumove njengabo Didi king hey uyabona ukuthi success semali king bese imhlanyisa so believe ukuthi wena untouchable.
And Didi king emaphathini akhe bekangasiyedwa Didi bekanalamanye amajita lanemali.
Yeah, bekanalamanye amajita king lanemali. Maybe lamanye lenze kunaye.
Lenye lamanye lenze kunaye king and ekube yena bekungilomjita lo organizer. That's why ngithi king imali yabayinengi kakhulu. Iya corrupt because imali yabayinengi. I think in Germany king to be fair once wabana bo 6 7 8 9 million sonkulunkulu.
Ne?
Yo, sonkulunkulu king. Sekude lofuna ukudala lona ukudala nawuna le mali engaka again.
In rands.
In rands king. Uhlala eMzansi in rands uphathela imali leyo.
Yeah.
Yinto nekuzuyende angibekisele king.
I think mawuhlakaniphile king you can seyicalile impilo le great lapho because with investments and doing things the right way unemali lapho king. I think you've got money now. You can say you can have money forever and it can grow. Uyabona?
It can grow king and anything you want to do you can do.
Mawusayidla nje king I can take you go I blew it king nemajita king la blow eningi naleyo. In 2 years.
Yabona ke king angubali ezimali lento yema third party namalotho nakusiyimali into leyo. We episode king lokusuka kutakumoshela impilo yakho.
Kule machita king la blow maybe buma 12 20 ku I blew it king ngakhuluma ngasekuse ngashaya 20 ngathi wabheka.
Akade because it wasn't money king bekuyinto nje it was a experiment ekumoshela isikhathi yabona. Athenge into enetwenenge letinge imside. That's not angikhulumi ngalamajita emalotho king. Umjito welotho noma ngaba na 100 million uthi imali. Batshele ukuthi ngishito njalo king. You can go and tell them I said
somehow,
that.
King, somehow you can't say idlekile seyiphelile like what happened bro? Like you never heard something. But yeah, so nemali lapho king and especially king makuthiwa nje it's just extra mfana. Wena noma ngayini king la ungena khona uvula kuvaliwe king. Hey nami ngisafuna ukuvula kuvaliwe. Sekusomhlaba king. Umhlaba umnanzi lona. Ngiyafuna nami ukuvula kuvaliwe. Angifuni nje usisikhulume kabi ngalamajita ngathi ayabhethe lamajita nemali. I want to be one of those niggas. I have to be counted as one of them. Kusekunela ubunye lokul time king. Hayi kushangana libali limhlophe la hloko
kuphethe litshe
uthole sinye sikhwama king sihlala so diagonal lana king mawukhuluma ubuka kuphendula is a man of few words, is a man of very few words.
Lo mshita leyo king usanemandla ekuthi atshela intombi yakhe ukuthi ngicota number 2 bangani bakho ngifuna kunemba.
Yeah king nale ntombi yakhe ijabule. Uyabona?
Idawuhlanganisa 2 abangani bayo labahlakaniphile king edebendele into lekufuna yendeke uyabona. But thina king nendlu yethu because thina singulamajita lede lemali leyo. Sitawulana nomuntu munye uyabona like isivuko siqabuzana isivuko ekseni hey ngoneli breakfast uyabona.
Ngane it's forever.
It's forever king.
Anti kufike demon lemali king lithi fafa. Sibone ukuthi kunebantu bacala kushintsha. There's no more forever.
Kunemshita king kunemshita king not awufika kule situation leyo king achamukela gosi. Aphethe imali lenze uyabona. Athi ngicela umfake efonini nomjita wakho ngifuna ukukunemba alalela.
Eish kusengasikhuluma le story leso king out yami king layiva le situation leyo king yendeka live. Against out le king
situation le kanjalo.
Yeah, I think even today thina sikade out king because yayilalela yonke le situation. Nebuthi sekusebona ngolelana wenza ngidropa ngande phone sekusangathi nami dog bengibabhlungu kakhulu mfethu. But ngiyathatha mina
kwendekile kuse.
I think ngakugela story
What happened?
Athi King bendema akekho King uhambile uye kuphi King emnganini wakhe wathi bahlale bafonelana vele ebusuku yayibona into yokufonelana ebusuku ma minutes King nicoce ke enze nilale efonini bacala bafona nana mani bakhulukhuluma idrop ifone yabona fonele lo mngani wakhe uthi hayi mani wena ekuseni kanti kwene njani mani ngiyamfonela lana ifona kayibambi ngazi futhi beboyithune lo mngani wakhe eRomain King yabona kuyibuda kumabuda layithune ma sister layithule ma sister layithule mabuda layithule ngazi lo mngani King nguyela ibamba le phone yalo mngani lo ya wayilalela yonke le conversation King nayo sonke lesendeko lamalilo yabona lamalilelo King walela wonke weva nokuva ukuthi weva nokuva ukuthi Majid labuyela Gosi
Majid labuyela Gosi
King itayisula inkundla letiya
tayisula inkundla ala fonini King
ya
lamanye Majid strong King yakena ukuthi kunemali King bebangafa
King mina ngibona kuyena
because ngiyeva King my sister that I confess
isikhathi semncane wena King angisemncane King ngafa King because yakena ukuthi ngisemncane mina King into bengicabanga ukuthi kuse makwendeke lokho I'm a lesser man yabona makwendeke lokho which means I cannot yabona sho singesihluleki bengithi blame mina yabona I thought there was a problem with me yabona I thought I am the problem I don't put enough work I'm not a man enough yabona I'm not showing much affection I need to improve myself no it's not about that again it's never about that it's just a game yabona it's just a game and you have to play along or you have to understand King this is how these things move and adapt or die
exactly but awubona King kwa-oka uyakubona inkinga mina ngalinyatwa ngile image King kwa-oka maybe kushangale enhloko yakho King phethe lo mlakalaka
King when it comes to the Masai's King the gifted you cannot dispute King like
the gifted
they're one of the best
and but allegedly nadlala le game King they're playing it to win it again kunatha umpensu
so yabona King so it happens yabona ukuthi like things like that happen King real life la yabona real life la don't act like a victim yabona kuba ingoda khona ufuna
and don't take it personally yabona
ukuthi yini yabona it's me no it's not you bro it's life it's these things happen nawe ukwendile kulabanye or maybe ungakwenda kulabanye mawufuna yabona it's just a cycle King
it's a cycle King but imali makes those things possible King engawo ngithi King ngifuna ungiunderstand nangikutshela King ukuthi kunelicansi King labantu labanemali lena ungalibona wena ungathuka ukuthi kusele lento lena iyenteka King ukuthi invoice ibhadale umjida ukuthi adonemba umfati wayo ifuna kubukela can you imagine that thing King
very weird to me King even now it's still weird to say that thing is weird like shothi lokho King ukhombisa ukuthi kune level yemali la khona King lelithando kuliyaguquka khona King libe bede ama attachments because King nyalo King mawona lutho nje nyalo ulambile so angeke King ukhona ukuthi ulanzi ibuda King into nemba umfati wakho ubukele but masone imali King attachment ukuthi umfati wami nini ngathi kuyaphela insecurities nanani masona le mali King because you can do anything you want yabona so awubuva nebhlungu King ukuthi bamthinza yabona ngwele initiate actually lento ukuthi yendeke so ngikhombisa khona imali King ukuthi sometimes it's dangerous imali King khona ifike khona ibe dangerous khona
lamanye ama levels emali King ayingodi buka kunalomnye olady it's a famous story from around 2015-14 kaso nalenye OG King beka owner LA Lakers but Joseph beka ubani Joseph nje Sterling no akabani beka owner le team King unemfati wakhe King these are billionaires again unemfati wakhe sebashade bo 40 years bane banifana labadzala bane batukulu so ushayile ifro yakhe David ubekana ifro yakhe lomnye madam nje lomnyama her name is Visti Viano you can go and look this up ushayela Visti Viano bacatshaniswa yini King uthi Sterling wena Vistiviano uyiFroyam yabo ngunike amathikiti ukuthi ungafike uhlale kule VIP box nawutobukela ama game eMalekers yabona.
Yes.
Usuke wena ulanza lama boyfriend akho lamnyama yabona. Angibafuni labantu laba ukuthi ungabaletha la ungeta wena nabo noma ubathengele ithikiti ukuthi bahlale elsewhere but angifuni bahlala boxing down because it doesn't look good ukuthi iFroyam. Hayi umfati wami King. iFroyam. Seyitene majita awu lamnyama bangani bami batothini again. Ayilike Fro le Call King cabanga Fro lapho lo mjita uthengele Fro indlu ya 2 million Los Angeles umthengele ama Porsche uyamsupport umnika imali King allowance lecinile uyathi nalomfato nomjita kusilento le yendeka again.
Yeah.
Ayithathe Fro King ayilike indzaba engene endzabeni bamuce emkhulu le basketball team yakhe bafuna bamforce ukuthi ayithengise. Athi umfati kanti wena utochitha umuntu wami lana ahamba repossess indlu King repossess imoto repossess konke bebakunike Fro.
Ish.
Bekade King lo mfati ukuthi lo mjita unefro yakhe uyithengele indlu eLos Angeles ya 2 million.
Akunanginga.
Bekade ukuthi le Fro it's not a problem King but now you are messing up the money because of fake media indzaba entetho.
Yeah. So salulamba.
So cabanga ke wena King uJohn Duduzile bafana ukuthi Duduzile angavuma King ukuthi urentele 2K lakho King kwe room kwa 400 uneka zavuma Duduzile lento leyo King yendeke.
Angeke King avume King ngeke endeke King. Buka na Kai Senat King. Ngazi lo Madam King lahlukane nayo lo ya King asibese kamthengele iPenthouse yamitha.
Hayi wena.
Ngasibese kamthengele iPenthouse yamitha and yavela tindzaba lapha ukuthi ngathi nemabhuda King bangani baKai King bese bebafuna lapha King ukuthinza.
Angafuni Kai bathinze.
Angadi nekwadi ukuthi bafuna ukuthinza phela sekuvela nyalo King sekuvela nyalo indzaba King seke expose one.
Majita akho King seyimfisha kakhulu imali yeKai King.
Kanjani so?
Yeah, nakusendela nomakoneni King emachita lana imali mbamba lento leyo uyakutshela ukuthi kusethi ngifuna ukunember uMadam wakho ngendele plan King. When the plan wena.
Bethu le mali leyo boKai King phela umvu streamer King uyini uthatha ngathi amabillionaire boKai.
Yabona le mali ukuthi angifuna kujola nawe. Yeah.
Millionaire boKai King is not that long money that crazy money yabona. That's why ba emotional yabona even at the breakup yabo simchita ube emotional wayekela ngisho ku streamer yabona. Beka attached kulo girl vele bekamthanza kakhulu yabona that's why so uyekelile ku streamer so fashion yabona so khuluma nge-mental health King I'm worried King imandela ngangabo Kai King lahlala eMelika lo uhlala eMelika King Kai unema million ukhuluma nge-mental health umnyama so nenginga i-mental health yena ngehluka necherry yakhe King lo mlo King mangomletha kanye King umshayisi round kanye eWest Africa noma eNorth Africa noma eSouth Africa angayibona le mental health yakhe King ukuthi kahle beka khuluma ngejoy he had joy so what decide akuyekela ku streamer nani because King isikhuluma nge-mental health shosa ngahlanya you understand shosa ngahlanya King because I'm talking about a black man King melanated a millionaire young but Kai King ude 30 basethe bo 30 King bo Kai sama millionaire but the boy is talking about mental health.
Yeah, I mean, you have to go through it King akahlukana utawubuya utawuphinza jole utawukhula King egamini but nje mlingani ngiyo lento lengisho King uzayiva fan impilo i-deep yabona i-deep rastaman impilo i-deep fire impilo sesigcina King I think ngwena ngitshele kunendzaba asenginathe imali lenzaba i-deep le King. Two things King lengifuna kudisho emachitana nemali nakasoma intfombi ayitshela ukuthi ngina 3/5 yabokwa Mseleko King ngina 3/5 ngifuna ukubona umfati there's never an argument lapho. Two King ungitshela lenye indzaba I don't want to believe it but ngiyathi ukuthi awusimchitela ucambe manga again that's why I'm conflicted King. Ungitshela indzaba King ukuthi brother Enigma
yes
ngathi besanemba abantu I don't want to believe it, King, because angifuni ukubelieve ukuthi kunamuntu longanenjwa brother Enigma. That's why I'm having a hard time.
Enigma King bekane chair ne. I-chair yakhe King esontweni King wayinemba le chair King babajola basithembisene kushada mara bese banembana vele bahlukana King. Wayala Enigma le chair bayishada bekathi toyishada King wayala Enigma King lentombi bangayishadi. Enigma King is the masikhuluma Enigma King sikhuluma ngale art King lebekhuluma ngokuthi Jesu uyabuya yabona bese kabeka ngisho ama dates
yes
ukuthi ubuya mhla kabani this lana King isikhuluma with the holy of the holiest i-art ekhuluma na Jesu face to face asikhulumi King about a general man mere mortal
ukuthi ufunza iBhayibheli eve umlayeto sikhuluma ngemjelo ukhuluma na
Enigma King is not a mere mortal. You understand? He talks with the God.
I'm having a hard time. Ngicongibuyisela emuva King. So you wena under oath King utshela mina nyalo ukuthi Enigma bekane fiance.
Yebo.
King let the record reflect ukuthi let the record reflect ukuthi umlingani Enigma bekane fiance.
Yeah, King, you can look it up, King. Yeah, you can look it up, mama believe King. Ngihamba uyicheck King. We're gonna share imjita vele bahlukene nanani. Check it lapha lokho channel wabanibani. Yeah, wayala King le cherry Enigma King. Sayethembisa ukuthi utoyishada. Bathi vele nje kuyalemba.
Asengiphinze ngibe sure King. Enigma unembe ifro, Enigma wala ifro. I'm trying to make sure ukuthi I'm understanding what you're saying.
Ngiloko King kude lokunye lengakusho King kunjalo nje.
Qhubeka King ekuse. And there are more women or it's just one woman kwendekani?
I'm not sure about the number King but ke unembile King that's the thing King ukuthi angisho phela sine besibelieve ukuthi amajida akholwa lawa akanembe angashadi nanana ayikho yonke lento King endeka kuwe nje mabatshela wena otherwise these niggas are scams. That's what I'm trying to say King. Iyangibhora kahle lento bo Enigma because it's not like ngiyamangala angimangali because I know this type of niggas lamajida lakhuluma ngeapocalypse omakashumayela ngeapocalypse thusa abantu in takwendeka in yabona those type of cats this type of religion nje ngayikena those niggas igcina konke King agcina seka abusive. There was a pastor King lebeka lapha yonke into yena lapha 3 lapha wathwathi yena uNkulunkulu akhuluma naye face to face naye waboshela i-rape King lomjida King. But I was very close to the church King bengiye nami lapha esontweni lakhona King nanani wakhanzakala ukuthi King wathi wancumphula abantwana King wahamba nabe hotel abalapha esontweni youth wambona uNemba King babuye bayiveta indzaba King uthi unembile lomjida lahlephuka ekhathini lisonto King ngalana King kuthiwa prophet ukhuluma nabo Jesu. So these cats King I know them it's not ukuthi ngisurprise ngabo Enigma. I was just yabona ukuthi I know King it's a lie King they're always playing around yeah inini yeah Jesu ngikhulume naye face to face then what then ukhulume naye then what because angisho lo mjida ngasekavana nesono lo Jesu wena usenda njani lesono yabona it's crazy King how these kids about holy King bahluleka control inyama yabo because kuthiwa amasona Holy Spirit the nyama yakhona uyicontroller hey whatever.
Yeah, good deep King. Usually I have a response bafana ngiyathi I'm unsettled King ukuthi kukhona umuntu King lobone Enigma akhuluma letinfo lati khuluma wathi lo muntu lona ekuse yabona ngagana na indvodza naye ngabe ngithole indvodza.
No ingeke wena King ukhuluma from the point ukuthi njengawe ukuthi from the outside yabona angisho kunebona King laba in the inside King laba yatiko lento laba sibayezulwini nabo yabona labo they're in the thing they thinking about like they're all about that yabona wena umove lo outside yabona lo ungayiboni yonke le phela King King it's a cult and it's a certain type of people they live together they understand this thing yabona wena ngulo ngephandle King lo criticize ukuthi banemanga sibakhuluma na Jesu. There are people who truly believe ukuthi Enigma King bayakhuluma na Jesu and umuntu lapha esontweni King uyakholwa lapha esontweni la Enigma yabona so he really wants to be close to the pastor yabona maybe just maybe na ngakhona ukuthola ithuba na Jesu mafikile ebusuku atokhuluma na Enigma yabona it's another world vele King when a King you cannot comprehend you can never understand but bona King baphela le university yabo baganana le university yabo bathandzana they are doing things the parking you understand it's another way so you noma ungafisa njani ku understand ukuthi kunemuntu lo yabo it's not your world vele yabona.
Mina I was shocked King uqinisile because I think that's the part King la ngistuck khona ukuthi I'm not able to understand kukhona la ngaba shocked khona mina nga discover ukuthi Prophet Mecha V King unelson for like there's an actual structure, a building King la Prophet Mecha V, and kunabantu King labaya la khathi bayothandaza.
Bamkholwa uyalapha wenda konke the same guy King wena losimambuka umangalo uthi kusona umjito ke Grand Lawn but nebantu King labakutshela ukuthi hey lo mjito lona uyalapha but lo mjito King ubambona udzakiwe nasatshwala bambona wena inini kwejoker nje uyabona but you understand ukuthi King so you can never say hey gonna make a V you don't they really believe again labantu ngilabantu nelihlobo lelo lebantu nalo King that's why sichemacheme again King sihlukene and kunebantu King labasheshe ba convinceke yabona. That's why King yakena ukuthi lo sikhuluma somne nawe nyana basive abantu King sibe broadcast le maybe sikhuluma King ba broadcast maybe TV national TV wonke umvume maybe let me say 100,000 abantu basibone sikhuluma so kusasa King siguquke sikholwe sinziswe sithi nesisibone enkulunkulu sesenda ini yakhe sine bantu King lesitaba nabo batasilandzela batawukholwa lento yethu King sakhe lithende King sakhe sibe nema thousands ibalandzeli nanani again babonile some people babonile sikhuluma so mina nawe King sikhuluma so 100,000 abantu King basibone the same people lekula 100,000 King maybe sibavuze by 20,000 30,000 labatosilandzela King ba believe ukuthi yalapha vele senda inini so uyabona ukuthi bantu
mina ngamhleka umuntu lo ngete esontweni lethu ekusebe again ukuthi
enibangete again
King kuthi mina ngumfundisi wemuntu engabahleka King again ukuthi imali yabo ngayidle without mercy.
Asho sisinzesiwe King wena sobona Jesu King sathi nje masicetha block kubeka past le podcast weva lenye into yendeke emtimbeni wakho King uhamba ohlanta wathi uthu uyaphaphama ukhanza sowuvele kulenye indzawo lakena King uyibeke lapha ku TV khaleba nuvo ya plus King ufunzile ke vela neBhayibheli King uhlu quote verse wavela Levi that's le Levi in inkosi yase ithi ya ngafona lapho kwakuthi makwaMusa ufika makwaMusa wathi kunenjani ya lapho siyakhema hey King uyakutshela King nami ngala King bengisupport ngithi yathi yet nami konke kanjalo and ngathi khanza sengumlingani nami ngafly ngathi khanza sengisemelika siphanje sisebenzisini kamlingani emakhadeni sikhuluma wavela uNkulunkulu simakade wathi kuse kumele kusinishintshe indzawo nehle neGaborone novula isonto. Ngiyakutshela King bantu bangahamba baye eGaborone sinesisa lapha King sesenda inti dimangaliso sithunywe inkosi King that's how people are. So mnangithuki King like it's I've been there King njengoba ngutshela mina ngihambile ngashumayela mina ngihambile ngashumayela abantu so what do you say?
No but when ngesikhathi ushumayela King bosinsiye uyabona
yeah King now
you were sincerely wrong but bosinsiye again
ngisho nanyalo King mangibona successfully usinsiye King he's putting in that work this nigga has changed he's a changed man now.
Ugcina sona prayer warrior akho King lo sesonawo.
Obvious King nama prayer warrior siya break ama cases ama generational cases si busy.
Sayabona ukuthi yina kubona kukanjena King. Mina sengithi King ngiyabona nake ngimthathe seriously umuntu lo ngethe sonfeni lethu bafana.
Athi kude King angeda stawuthini. So that's how it is King. There's always people King are gonna believe in your thing. There's always people King will believe ukuthi kanti King baba njani bande emakhalthini khanze umvuhleli to a cult kwentiwa in because there's people like that King you can never say how Enigma how khona umflonga King kune lobona Enigma as a cream yabona one une content Enigma ude content King une content Enigma famous South Africa King I guess Enigma King khanze usimasa research khanze usilochela King beka flying ngalenye indlela lebeka mbamba because that's how it is King.
Muhle kakhulu phela King muhle kakhulu usually King labantwana laba believer letinfo letika so bahle uyabona ubona man of God lona uyabona mina King lengingakusho ukuthi if ngiyoka ngivele kuwa King sengikhuluma ukuthi ngibona uNkulunkulu ngakhuluma naNkulunkulu my only request nginathuwa ama request King lengikucela ukuthi ungendele wona right after ngisho lento leyo yekucala ngicela uthole amajida King nibe ngi10 ngibambe ningimixa mentally again that's number one King mzukwana nje ngifika kuwe King ithi ngikhuluma ngicela ungithathe King ningimixa mentally ningangicela ngoba neke ngivume nikwende ngenkhani King ningibambe noma niyangitrapa niyangikhunga ningimixa mentally that's number one. Number two King ngicela ukuthi ungibloke efonini yakho ungaphindi ungikhulumise ever
Yeah.
Nami King, that's the favor I'm promising you. Kuthi mzukwana
You
King
will
when
return,
uyokhuluma naNkulunkulu.
you will return the favor,
Ngiyohamba
King.
King noma ngiyemalawini King ngiyothola 10 umajita. Siyakubamba sikmixa mentally kumathapha bakusida. And right after King angadi vele kufuna wathi ukuthi kuseyomlingana kawuphinza ngikhulumisa.
Yeah, because King, that's the thing. It's a sickness, yabona. That's and there are people who believe it, yabona. And abantu laba ngeke ubajudge, yabona. Ngeke ukuthi babheda because it's them, bro. And it's amazing how the world operates, man. King, again, it's amazing. Like it's amazing. It's amazing the fact ukuthi King mawutele Africa njengami lathi ubal Christian, but kube bengitele in India King bengitaba yinini, you understand? And ngeke ngidispute bengeke ngikwenze next, you understand? Maybe bengitaba Muslim kube bengitelwe Iraq, yabona. It's just life. That's how it is. It's nothing ukuthi yeah, I mean it's hey lento lengayibekisa njani King. Bengikhona bengicabanga manje mina ukuthi abantu abaningi bengicabanga ini ngobani. Abantu abaningi King bathatha inanga ngazi ukuthi yabo njengebhola nepolitiki. Oh bengicabanga lento yabo J Cole yabo J Cole na khona into engiyifundzile J Cole na Kendrick yabona. Usilomnye umjita lapha. Uthi DJ Clue, uthi DJ Clue. Uthi DJ Clue yena bambuta ukuthi kusemashi cabangani uthi DJ Clue the sad thing about inang lesikhathi esiphila kuso nyalo yabona bebambuta about lengoma la kubakhuluma khona ngabo Big 3 Kendrick lo J Cole uthi kuse the thing esiphila kuyo nyalo is that yeah we're in that comparison season yabona like bantu abaningi King nyalo the King asengithi King ngibeka emakhekhe la2 la yabona the chocolate cake nemrubhero King omabili amakhekhe ngiyawathanda King angeke ngikhona King ngeke ngithi elelibi ngathi ngithanda leli limnanzi yabona amnanzi oyi2 but ngiprefera leli you understand or le makhekhe oyi2 ngikhona kwajaja amnanzi omabili like sesiphumele lesizini King la khona enjoy khona music you understand like ukuthi say I'm just enjoying the song it's just dope music ngakasho ukuthi I see blind out njengabantu bani yabona it stands from politiki yabona that's how we've been divided from politiki we've been divided from soccer ukuthi in favor ini we've been divided from many things that I feel King that's divided corner sense sikubele etinweni imxoxo say yabona asakhona enjoy moment nje ukuthi say dog this is beautiful soccer bro ubona indlela enjani ubona pass enjani it's always about yeah on social media about mathuzana matsara yabona King ma podcast ahleli yabona discuss yeah yabona is the thing King yabona usekhona King etha
yebo ngikhona King ngikhona mfana no ngiyakuva mfana asivale King it was a good talk King it was a good talk bafana
yeah King episode 17 we out